Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that some macOS users may face. Imagine this. Your USB-powered monitor is draining your laptop's battery overnight while in sleep mode. Frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because we'll explore a solution to this pesky issue. In comes the solution. One way to tackle this problem is by using a KVM switch. By connecting all your peripherals to the switch, you can easily disconnect them with the push of a button, eliminating that vampire power draw. It's like magic, but for your power consumption. Just imagine the convenience of powering everything down with a simple switch. Now let's dive a bit deeper into how the KVM switch works. When you hit that switch, all your devices are disconnected from your MacBook, drawing power from a separate power source. It's like giving them a little power nap until you're ready to use them again. And if the KVM switch isn't your cup of tea, you might have to resort to manually unplugging everything from your laptop. Not as convenient, but hey, it gets the job done. In summary, dealing with power-hungry USB peripherals draining your laptop's battery can be a real pain. But fear not, the KVM switch is here to save the day, offering a convenient solution to disconnect all your devices with just a flip of a switch. So, go ahead, give it a try, and say goodbye to those overnight battery woes. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy computing.